Hello, I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of the Rotana. So let me show you the room. 822, not smoking. Got a nice full-length mirror. Bathroom. Equipped with some necessities if you need it. We got this mirror, lotion, tissues, soap. The bathroom. In this region, this is the Rotana in Abu Dhabi on Yas Island. In this region, it's very common to see these in the bathroom. Okay, we got the closet. Great space, got some hangers, slippers, a safe, a laundry bag if you wanted to do your laundry. Got the mini bar, got a fridge in here, grab my water, and this will be stocked with 2 water bottles when you arrive. I think that was maybe a light, not sure. And this is what the twin double room looks like. Equipped with some lights. Got the nightstand here. And these switches turn the power on and off for these outlets. And for these outlets, you want to make sure you have one of these extensions. So I have this, and it was actually a universal outlet kit that I got, and so in it came multiple extensions for different types of outlets internationally. Lovely TV. Got a nice desk working area. And now one of my favorite parts, the balcony. This is the lock system. It's in like this. But to unlock it, you just push this down and it pulls out. Look at how great this balcony is. Got a chair with a table, and you can come out here and just chill at the end of the day, any time of the day. And this is the great view that you get. You can directly see the pool. This right here is the Etihad Arena. This over here is the Formula 1 racetrack. At nighttime, this building lights up different colors. It's really pretty. Way out there, it's like a wavy building. I believe that's the airport. So it's very common to hear the airplanes fly overhead. Last night there was a lot of airplanes. And down here is Ferrari. They have an amusement park, and around the corner as well there's Warner Brothers Studios, and I believe that's kind of like Universal and Disney. The pool is a great area to hang out at. Have the pool here. This is a swim up bar. It's awesome. These people just lounging over here. Customer service here at the Rotana has been amazing. Upon checking in, someone will grab your bags for you. When you're checking in with guest services, they came around and they gave us these dates and these little packages. They also offered us coffee, and it made me feel very welcome here. As soon as we arrived, stepping out of the car, they made me feel very welcome. Shout out to Bayo, shout out to Kelly. Just some great staff members that I've encountered that have made my time here really awesome. If you are here on Yas Island, I definitely recommend that you stay here at the Rotana. This is a great area. There's a lot of things that you can do, whether you're alone, with friends, with family. I definitely recommend that you check it out. I was mentioning the different adapters I had. This adapter set. It comes also with this one, and you could plug that kind of plug into it. There's also this. So it's a 3-piece set, but it has many different options for the different outlets that you'll encounter internationally. If you're a traveler, I highly recommend you get an adapter set. And this is the lovely shower. The nice towel rack. You have 2 shower heads. You have this one, which is adjustable and you can detach it. You also have this big shower head up above, stocked with bath and shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. So that's what the room looks like. And now I'm gonna show you around the rest of the hotel. Let's go! And here's some of the amazing staff here at the Rotana.
Hello, how are you? Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
Thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate all the support. If you liked anything in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.